Hello friends, today we are going to see Mathematica software which is useful for mathematical operation. In this software we are going to see mathematical algebraic expression as well as manipulation. Also we are going to see some how to calculate calculus derivatives. Then we are going to see plotting graph and operation on matrices. So we'll start our Mathematica software. So before going that, we'll start with Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, we'll search for Mathematica. So I will search for Mathematica. So there is two options. One is we can use this software online and other platform offline. So with the help of installation you can use offline, but for that we need to purchase this software. So better you go for Mathematica online. I will click here. So already I have registered in this website. For that I will not see here sign in or login format. So this is similar as when you log in Gmail. So you need to put your basic information. So same here in Wolfram, you need to put your basic information and Gmail address. Log in into that Wolfram sign in option. Then you will get email from Wolfram company, and after that you are able to join this online platform. So I am going to here Wolfram Cloud. So this will open. So with the help of Wolfram Cloud we can directly able to join this software. So here is option sign up for free. Those don't have any account on this platform, you can sign up. I have already signed in, so I will just click it, sign in. Okay, so this is trial version, 12 days left. You will get 15 days trial facility. So this is our software. So you can see here new notebook. So whatever operation you are going to perform, everything will happen in new notebook. And my files, you can save all your work in notebook form and you can reopen with the help of my files. And in the right hand side you will get basic information about what they have packaged, like core language and structure, data manipulation, machine learning. All these things are there, you can see. So I'll create new notebook. So this is our editor where we are going to perform our basic operation. Okay, so I will start with basic operation. So 1 plus 2. Now you will get output 3. So we have addition and result is 3. So basic thing is there. For execution output you have to put shift plus enter button to see the result. So with the help of shift and 8 I will write here to run or execute result, press shift plus enter button. Okay, after that manually you have to click at the bottom. So one thing you remember, while running this result you have to put shift plus enter key. So we'll see another operation, 1 minus 2, again shift plus enter, you will get this output -1. Okay, if I enter percentile and again enter shift enter, so this will show you the last output, the previous result it will show you. So again I will remark here shift 8, percent use for previous result. Okay, now we are going to multiply 1 star. Okay, we'll use different 2 star 3, shift enter. So this will give you 6. Okay, so again there is another trick for this. If you put 2 space 3, so automatically it will add the multiplication symbol. So this will give you again same result. So you have to just put space for multiplication and 2 by 3, this will give you 2 by 3. So okay, now I am going to use one variable. In that variable we are going to use multiplication, store multiplication. So here you will get result. Now a assigning value 6, that we have already stored multiplication in that. So now I want to clear the value of a. Now I would like to use a for some another programming as a variable. So I would like to clear value of a, so I will use clear. So now here you can see whatever command you are going to type or any inbuilt function you are using, so first alphabet must be capital. So first alphabet is capital. Now I am going to type another thing. So you can observe here that how much function in this Mathematica available. So I will use clear square bracket, which variable we want to clear, a. So I will put here shift enter. So this will clear. No output you will see. Now we are going to see whether a is having value or not. So I will just put question mark a. Question mark a used for find that particular term. So you can see here. Okay, so this is the result. So clear a will clear the value but not clear its attribute. For that we are going to use remove command. So I will use remove. Again you have to remember first alphabet must be capital. So I will use remove a, shift enter. So you will not get any output. So again we will find value of a by using question mark a. So here the message is getting that missing or unknown symbol a. It means with the help of remove command you can clear its value, you can clear its attribute too. So with the help of remove, you can clear whole thing from our notebook, current notebook. Okay, so we'll perform division operation. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. This will gives you 7 by 6. Okay, so in this we are getting value in the fraction, means 7 by 6. Okay, I will store this value in A. I will use again, or you can directly add here. There is a facility in Mathematica, you can directly edit our previous values or previous expression. So again we are getting 7 by 6, which is stored in variable A. Now I will use capital N bracket square bracket A. This will give result in the form of numerical approximation. So this will give numerical approximation, and you can see here after decimal point you will get 5 digits. Now I would like to see up to 10, so I will put N square bracket A, and after decimal point you will get this 10 digits. So there is another way to use capital N. I will put here A / N and shift enter for result. So here you will get same result. Now you can see this and you can see this, both are same. N into bracket expression, or earlier expression, use expression, then double backslash capital N, both are same. Now we'll try the same thing with variable. I will use 1 by A. Okay, already we have used A, so instead of A we are going to use B. 1 by B plus 1 by C. Now I am going to see the output. Now you will get the result 1 by B plus 1 by C as it is. There is no change. But what happens when we use number, it will calculate LCM automatically, and for variable this will show result as it is. So instead of using this, we'll use together command. So capital T. Now you can see when you put second alphabet, then you will get the which command is available in Mathematica software. So I will use together. Now you can see here, if we press together or any command, or you can see here lot of commands are there. If you go there, there is a I symbol, so you can see how we can use this command. So I will show you together. For together I will press this I. So here you can see the syntax for together. Okay, so this will show us the syntax for together command. Now you can see here this is the syntax for together command, and in the right panel you can see the all detailed things about together. So this is the things about together. Okay, so we are going to use together in square bracket 1 by B plus 1 by C. This will gives us the result p plus c divided by b into c. So for using command or inbuilt function, now you must remember, while using any command, the first alphabet must be capital. Now we'll see some variables, like we'll try a space b plus 5 space x. This will give us, okay, so value of a is 7 by 6 already given, so 7 by 6, b plus 5x square. So you can see here there is a multiplication. While multiplying, you need to give space between two variables, so this will counter as multiplication. So we'll remove value for a. Okay, so I'm again trying this a plus b, sorry, a into b plus 5x. So this will give you a into b plus 5x square. So for same variable it will multiply, and now we'll see here ab plus 5xx without space. This will give us same result, ab plus 5xx. So when you will give space, it will consider as multiplication, and if you didn't give any space, it will consider whole term as a one variable. So you have to remember, while multiplying you need to give space between two things or variable. So again we are going to see here. Now I will take x is equal to 2, semicolon. This will not show us result, this will suppress the result, hide the result. With the help of semicolon we can able to hide the result. Now I will use y is equal to x plus 2. Now we want to see the result for y, so I will put shift enter. So you will get value for y is equal to 4. So value of x is 2, so 2 plus 2 you will get 4. Okay, now I would like to see the same result in the different format. So I will type here x plus 2 backslash dot. Backslash dot, it indicates that whatever variable in that expression has some value. So I will write here value for x dash and this greater than symbol, you will get arrow, okay, and 2, or we'll put 3 and shift enter. So according to this, okay, already we have given value for x, that's why it's showing some problem. We'll consider, okay, next variable, same variable z plus 2 backslash dot z dash greater than symbol 3, shift enter. So this will give you result 5. Okay, it means when you put backslash dot indicates variable has value and can be substituted. Okay, so with the help of backslash dot you can use this value. So here why this condition is not work, why this is given same result, because previously we have the value for x and same value applied here, that's why the result you are not getting. So with the help of new variable you can see the result. Okay, now same thing we can define with the help of function. So again we need to use some different format, so I will use function c underscore square bracket is equal to, I will use here some different value d plus 2. Okay, and space semicolon and shift enter. So this indicate that why we are using c underscore. So this means that whatever expression having on the right side, it will transfer to that function. So now we have to use value for f of c. So I will use value for f of c. So I will use 4 and now I will enter shift enter. So this will give the value for, okay, so something wrong actually, instead of d we have to put same value. Okay, now I will try this. Now you will get value 6. So here function we have f of c which is depend on c, that's why we must take here same symbol c plus 2. So whatever expression having on right hand side, this will transfer to that function. And now we are going to substitute here value for c. So c is equal to 4, it means 4 plus 2 you will get value 6. Now we'll see some algebraic expression. So here we are going to use, before that we'll clear the value for x, remove value for x. Okay, so we are going to see factor. So capital F, you can see here the commands having Mathematica depend on factor. So we are going to use factor x square. So for square I'll use shift 6 which will give cap button x square plus 2 space x. Remember, while multiplication you need to give space plus 1 square bracket. This will gives you 1 plus x square. So again we'll try some different quadratic function, x square plus 3 space x or 4 space x plus 3. Now you will get 1 plus x, 3 plus x. So these are the factors Now we want value for x, so instead of factor we can use solve command. So you can see when I type capital S after second alphabet, you'll get the commands reserved in Mathematica. So these are the commands. You can check with the help of I buttons how it will work. So I will use solve in bracket x square plus 4 space x plus 3 equal to 0. Double equal to indicate test equality. We can use greater than equal to, less than equal to. So this will equate the equation. So we want to solve this quadratic equation in the form of x. So this will give result in the form of x. So value for first root is minus 3. Obviously you can see here 3 plus x is equal to 0. It means value for x is minus 3 and value for another x is minus 1. So this is the result. Now same thing we can see with the help of roots. Again capital R, roots, you can see the result. Roots x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. X, this indicate we need a result for x. Shift enter, you will get the same result. X equal to minus 3. This double pipe symbol indicate or x is equal to minus 1. So these are the result for this quadratic equation. Now we will check the result for some polynomials. I will type here x raised to 4 plus 30 plus 30x cube minus 21x square. Now I am just typing this equation. I don't know what result we are getting. Plus 67 is equal to 0 and we need result in the form of x. Now we will see what value we will get. The roots, we must have 4 roots. So these are the 4 roots. Too much big. We have got this result. So instead of using this result, we are going to use one trick. This will give us result in very short form. So if you remember, I have used capital N, which gives numerical approximation. So shift enter, we'll get 4 roots. So first value for x minus 30 point is x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to in complex form and also last also in the complex form. So capital N, which we can use for short answer, which will give us numerical approximation. So these are the approximate values for our result. So I will write here shifted. Capital N is capital N bracket expression gives numerical approximation of expression. Okay, so after that we'll see how to use symbol or like pi, psi, epsilon and all other mathematical symbol we are going to use. So for example, if we want to pi symbol, so I will use escape and just type p. So you will get a result in this panel. You can see for p we have pi symbol, then this partial derivative, this symbol is for perpendicular, this is phi, so you can use this symbol. Okay, now I would like to see theta. So theta start from t, so I will use escape and I will press T. So you can see here the symbol available, tau, tor, then theta and all these things. So you will get many symbol. So I will select theta. Again, now I would like to see alpha, so I will press escape button and press A. Now you can see here, starting with A, we are getting this much symbol, alpha, A, LF, alpha, and all these symbol. So I will use alpha. So you don't need to remember anything, just again press escape button, and if we would like to see result for beta, so press B. So with the starting with B, we'll get the symbols available in Mathematica, so we'll use beta. So in this way you can able to enter symbol which are mostly useful in mathematical operation as well as mathematical physics. So I will again put comment. For comment I will use shift 8. Okay, I will press outside. For comment you need to press shift 8. For comment use shift plus 8 and for special symbol use escape. Here pi, again escape. This will gives you pi, so I will use this pi. Okay, so for that you need to enter escape button, and to come out from comment section you just click outside. So we'll see value for pi, so I will type capital N and now I will use pi, or you can just type capital Pi and just press enter. This will give you value for pi. Okay, and if you want to see the result up to 10 or 16 decimal point, so we can use capital N bracket square bracket capital PI comma to 16 square bracket shift enter. This will gives you up to 16 digit after decimal point. Shift enter. Okay, so this will gives us the result for pi. Now I would like to see the square root pi, and again in that square root again we are going to put square root pi, again one more square root and pi, 1 2 3. Okay, so this kind of result we need in the form of expression in Mathematica. So we are going to try this expression in Mathematica. So I will write capital SQRT. Always remember, while typing command, first alphabet must be capital. Now put square root capital PI square bracket shift enter. This will gives you root pi. Again I will type square root. I'll use capital PI plus percentage. Did you remember? Percentage symbol is used for to see previous result. So our previous result is root pi. So press shift enter. This will gives you, this is root pi and whole root pi. So these are the same. Again we are going to use square root square bracket capital PI plus percentage. Percentage will give you result, previous result. Shift enter. So this will give you the result. Hope you are enjoying the programming. After this we'll try another expression, how we could type this expression with the help of Mathematica. Now I would like to compute value for 1 plus 1 divided by the whole things, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus half. Okay, bracket not close. Now we'll try this. 13 by 8. This will give us result 13 by 8. So I could not able to show you that expression. This will directly gives us result 13/8. Okay, again we'd like to compute the result for this equation. 1 plus into bracket 1 plus again into bracket 1 plus, okay, again into bracket 1 plus into bracket 1 plus 1, its square. Okay, now close this, again square of this, close this bracket and square of this 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, okay, and last 2. So now we are going to perform this result. We will first add this 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 will gives us value 2, then 1 plus 1 and its square, so 1 plus 1 square, this will gives us value 5, then again 1 plus percentage square, this will gives us again value, okay, 1 2 3, 5 times we have to do percent, this will gives you 677, and lastly oh no, why percentage is not coming, percent cap square and enter. This is the final result for our expression. So we'll copy this, okay, copy and directly paste here and use shift enter, you will get same result. So we can directly put that whole expression or we can solve step by step, you will get same result for the expression. We will see how to enter simultaneous equation and see the output at once. So I will type here a is equal to 1 plus 2, okay, then b is equal to 3 plus 4, and final c is equal to a plus b. And now we'll put shift enter to see the result. So value of a is 3, value of b is 3 plus 4, 7, and value of c is a plus b, means 3 plus 7 you will get 10. So this is how we can see the result at once. For that you have to simply put only enter button to add another equation. So with the help of enter button you can add the equation, okay. Now we will see getting help. Now if you have any idea in your mind and if you want to search in Mathematica how we can use this term in this Mathematica, whether this command or terms is available in Mathematica, so how to find out that particular command in Mathematica. Hope this will help you to find out your relevant content from Mathematica. Okay, so if I would like to find out command, for example, we can say inverse command. So how we can find out? So for that we need question mark and asterisk symbol to find command. Okay, so for example, I would like to find out command starting with INV. I'll write here find command start with INV. So I will use here question mark INV and star. When you are finding initial term, so first letter or first alphabet must be capital. So shift enter, this will give you result. So we'll wait. Okay, you can see here starting with INV we have lots of command in our system. So inverse beta regularized, then inverse CDF and lot of things, inverse Fourier, inverse function, inverse Jacobi DC. So you can see here inverse wavelet transform, inverse Laplace transform. So you will be able to find out how to use this if you click this button inverse Laplace transform. So this is the command inverse Laplace transform. So you can search. Now I click on inverse Laplace transform, so this will give you result inverse Laplace transform, then put expression ST. So obviously when we are going to see inverse Laplace transform, so inverse Laplace transform available in the form of S and we need to convert in the form of T. That means we are getting Laplace transform. So these are the attributes and syntax for inverse Laplace transform. So here is the command. If we would like to find INV starting with INV, so you have to use question mark INV star. So this will help you to start with INV. You will get all command. Okay. Now I would like to see the command which ending with IN. Commands end with IN. So obviously when we are looking any command, so the condition is that first and whatever we have to identify, this will convert into first letter and all other things remains in small letter. So at the end obviously we will get small letters, so I will use here small letter for end command. So how to find out commands with IN at last? So for that I will use question mark. Obviously star will use for something is there, and at last we must have IN. So I will use Shift Enter. This will give us a result. Now you can see here arcsine, data bin, and argmin. So you'll get a lot of commands from here. You can see arcsine. If I click here, you'll get the result at the bottom. So arcsine gives arcsine means sine inverse of z. So with the help of this command, you will get sine inverse. So these are the tricks. If you are looking for something special command, and if you think how we can find out or how we can solve, so you need just keyword how to find that particular command in Mathematica. So I have already told you, if the command begins with inv, you have to type question mark inv and at last star. And if you would like to see in at last, so you have to put question mark star in. So you will get the result at the end in. Now I would like to see in between terms. Now commands with or in middle. Now I would like to see how many commands include our in middle terms. So for that, I would like to use question mark star, because something must be in front of that hour. Also after this command, so we need to put extra star after this command and Shift Enter. This will give you hour in middle term. Okay, so you can see source OUR is there, Fourier OUR is there. So you can find out like this. So how many command you will get. If you don't know about this command, you just click on that command, you will get. Now if you want to see inverse Fourier cos transform, so if you just click on that, you will get here. So inverse cos Fourier transform. So if you like to see more details, so you just type I and inverse. Now you can see here. Now I would like to see inverse Laplace transform. How is it work? So I will press I button. So in the right panel, you can see the details about inverse Laplace transform. Okay, now you can see here. You are able to see the expression, syntax, example. Here is the example. Okay, Laplace transform, Fourier transform, inverse transform, and all these things. Basic example. So lot of things you'll get with the help of this. Hope this will give you whatever question in your mind, so you can find out your needed command with the help of question mark and star symbol.